Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Mira from K-pop something hunters. I don't remember the show name, sorry. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. That's excluding the hair. I didn't use any adjustments on that. I just did it on like the spikes and the belts. I'm just going to remove everything except for that. Hopefully I remember I used a lot of items for this. For the hair, I used this one, of course. This one's the most similar one to her hair. In stiff, without bangs and without bows, and I colored it this color, DS6868. For the front part of her hair, I used these bangs here, and only bangs in that same color. And I also used this as well. Did I make adjustments on that now? Okay. For the outfit, I'd use this brat shirt in black and in like I don't think I used that purple. Did I use this one? I think I used this like purple color. Then I used this top two for like the blue part in like foil. I think I made it a little bit darker. And then I did like purple and foil for the lacing and halter. Like that. Doesn't have to be perfect because it's like, I don't know. Also, you do need VIP for this before I move on. I use these chains here. No adjustments made, obviously, because you can't make any adjustments in like just gray. And then for the like spikes on the side, I use this one from VIP, this one in black, gray, and then black. Position the X at 0.62, the Y 0.46, rotate the Z to 0.25. Then I use this belt from VIP as well here in the first toggle, colored the first one white, and then the second one FF5457, third one FF8B8F. And then for the skirt, I use this one in this color, D68F22 in matte. And then the second one, I didn't really color the button. And then I use this for the gloves in the first toggle without fur in black. And then I used this to, where is it? Hold on. I think it's in the Christmas area. Okay, it's this one here. And I used this color, I think. And then I also used the like cowboy jacket, third toggle in black, and then do like light silk. And then for the necklace, I used the VIP item 2, this necklace here in gray, this one, gray and black. And then I also used these boots here in only boots. I colored it this color 3D1B29 and then that again, but like in a lighter shade. And then that color again. What am I missing? I feel like I'm always missing something when I'm doing these. And then I also used this for the prop in this toggle, on shoulder, sorry. Then I colored this color E1C488 for both. For the last one, I did use like a pattern. Doesn't really show that much, but I used this one. And I think that's it. Hold on, let me check the reference. Okay, yeah, that is it. For this video, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.